Hey, what is up guys, it's Lay here. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Windows 10 flickering issue. So, there are two problems that causes this Windows 10 issue. The first one is you have not an antivirus installed or your Nvidia's graphic driver needs an update. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it now. So when you have the flickering issue, most likely you can't use the desktop, you can't click on it, you can't click on the taskbar, there's no icons, you can't do anything. So, what you want to do is you want to go to Control Alternate Delete, you open Task Manager. First it should be there's no running apps or something. More details, go to More Details, you go to File, and then you browse for your Google Chrome. I already browsed for it, so that's good. You don't need to create it with administrative privileges and it should be fine. Okay, so let me just move this to somewhere else, like here. That way it won't affect much. Okay. So, what you want to do now is go Google search, Norton, removal tool. Choose the first option, and download it. When you download it, just open it and run it. This works because the flickering issue is actually happening only at your desktop screen. It doesn't flicker on this Google Chrome, except you can still see it flicker at the taskbar, so you can still access this. It might be a little bit difficult to type because the flickering is actually getting, like, it resets your typing, like select something else, so it's a bit difficult to type, but you should be able to get somewhere with it. Or you can just use the virtual keyboard. Find out how to do a virtual keyboard somewhere else. I don't have much time because my Bandicam is not registered. So once you're done with this, you don't close your Google Chrome yet because that will be troublesome. You go to Nvidia Drivers. So in here you go for GeForce. You look for your graphics card. Yeah, if you don't know how to look for your graphics card, go back to your task manager. Go run new task. Browse. This PC. Manage. Then you should find your device manager here. Open your display adapters, and that's your graphics card. So this only applies for people who have Nvidia graphics cards here. So mine's 600M, GT620M, Windows 10 64-bit. Make sure these are all correct, because if one of them is wrong, it's not gonna work. It's just gonna waste your time. So 353.162, that's the new one. It's for Windows 10. You have to install that. So once you download it, I'm not gonna actually run it. I'll download it. Agree and download. This should just take a while. I'm just gonna pause it. Once it's done downloading, go to your display adapters and right click, uninstall, delete the driver for this device. Once you uninstall it, go to display adapters and scan for hardware changes. And your 620M, you should scan for hardware changes, and then after that you install your 353.6 this patch. You can probably just not do this as well. Like you don't really have to uninstall it, but I suggest you do. And furthermore, you should do it in safe mode. So how do you activate safe mode? Normally you guys know how to activate safe mode through closing your laptop forcefully. You should open safe mode, but because Windows 10's a faggot, you can't really do that. So what you're gonna do is Control Alternate Delete. Go to Task Manager again, run a new file, run new task, and open. What was it again? msconfig. Just run it, and you should open this thing. Go to boot, and choose Safe Boot. That's really all you have to do. Just open Safe Boot with minimal, and when you do that, you can pretty much just see your icons already. It looks very nice, except you can't actually go to the internet. So once you've done that, once you enter safe mode, Okay, let me do that again, because I didn't actually do it. msconfig, boot, save boot, and okay, it should do this, and exit without restart. You should exit with restart. I'm not restarting because it'll just screw it up, so I'm just gonna deselect it. Okay, so once you restart, do this step again where you uninstall the Nvidia GeForce GT to 620M or whatever your graphics card is. Uninstall it. Tick this box. You have to uninstall it, and you scan for hardware changes. After that, you install this patch. Use the express bracket recommended option. Once you're done with that, just let it run, let it finish installing. You might see that the GeForce Experience or whatever software that is, it might not be installed, but that's because Windows 10 doesn't like that app, so it's not gonna get installed. So yeah. So once you're done, most likely your problem will be solved. Heck, even if you just use the first step, your problem will most likely be solved. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.